Ever heard of money laundering? Well, I'm pretty sure you might have. That being said, a certain measure called the angel tax has been perceived as detrimental to the entrepreneur world. The angel tax was introduced back in the year 2012 as a measure to curb money laundering by small companies. However, the bulk of the tax as well as the Central Board of Direct Taxes' sudden move in 2018 of deduction of income tax under Section 68 directly from the bank accounts of some startups pertaining to unexplained cash credit has definitely created a negative atmosphere around this tax. Following this jagged move by the CBDT, startups across the nation waged a protest with the hashtag #ShutDownIndia trending on Twitter. This caught the attention of the Government of India, who gauged the deleterious vibe among startups and quickly worked towards bringing in some much sought after reforms in the same. By now, you might have gotten a basic idea of what today's video is about. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax, and today I'll be talking about angel tax in India. Yes, you heard me right. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin. Angels are essentially those people, usually high net worth individuals, who invest in early stage startups in exchange for equity. Given that the angels invest in the enterprises right at the ideation stage, they run a huge risk of losing out on their money. However, this risk propensity is combated by the fact that if successful, the enterprise can yield phenomenal returns for the investor. Angel tax is the income tax levied on the capital raised by unlisted companies through the way of issuing shares via off-market transactions. While this may seem to be a simple tax, what makes it unique is the fact that the tax is only levied if the investor is an Indian citizen and if the share price of issued shares is in excess of the company's fair market value. Here, this excess value is considered as income and is therefore deemed taxable. This income is categorized under the head income from other sources. Angel tax was introduced under the Finance Act 2012 under Section 56(2). Angel tax is only levied on investments made by an investor who is a resident Indian. This tax is not applicable in cases where non-resident Indians make the investments and where the investment is made via venture capital funds. In a bid to alleviate the concerns of the startup owners across the nation, the government has introduced tax exemptions on investments pertaining to domestic investors for enterprises which have the approval of a special interministerial panel comprising of as many as 8 members. However, this exemption will only be available for startups which meet the following criteria. First, after the issuing of the shares, the paid-up capital complete with a share premium of the startup should not exceed Rs 10 crore. Second, the fair market value of the startup must be certified by a merchant banker. Third, the minimum net worth of the investor should be Rs 2 crore. And fourth, the average income of the investor in the last 3 financial years should be Rs 50 lakh or more. At present, a substantial rate of 30% is levied as angel tax on net investments in excess of the fair market value of the business entity. Hence, if a startup with a fair market value of Rs 15 crore receives an investment of Rs 25 crore by issuing 1 lakh shares of Rs 2500 each, it will have to pay the angel tax on the excess Rs 10 crore, amounting to a whopping Rs 3 crore. While it is understandable that some startups may perceive the angel tax as an added burden and even a disruptive one, but it will certainly help in bringing down the rampant money laundering through small companies that have been long-running malpractice in the Indian economy. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.